So the last thing that I want to show you in this Filmora 12 tutorial is how to export your video in different formats. Assuming you have you are certain with what you have, you've inserted all the text, you've done all the basic editings, you've inserted all the b-rolls, and you've done all the audio and volume control, volume changing and increasing and decreasing of different kind of effects, stickers. You've inserted all the coloration and you are certain and comfortable with what you have. You pretty much like what you see and you want to export this into a full-fledged video. You can do that also from Filmora 12. Okay, so to export a given video, once you have everything intact, you can just come all the way to the top right over here and say export, and click on export, and this brings us to the main export panel where you have the different format. The default is the MOV format, which you have over here. So the resolution is usually 1920 by 1080, but you can check it and put in other resolutions if you want. And you can check out the presets. You can check on presets, you can do custom settings, and you can check out the output. Where do you want it to save to? So check the location on your computer. For example, in my own case, I want it to save here, or you can check on others and you can navigate around to show exactly where you want it to save. For example, in my own case, I want it to save on Filmora 12 and just select here. You can say it's going to save on this, and the name of the video, you can give it a name. Remember, we didn't give the video a name as we started. So you can see my video tutorial on Filmora 12. So you can just go ahead. The frame rate you can change also, but I usually leave it at default, which is 30 frame rate per second. You can change it to any of your choice, okay? And you can upload to cloud. In cases if you have logged in, you can just go ahead. But in cases if you don't want to export in MP4, in Move you can export in MP4 using the same feature. You can just select the format. You can go ahead, select with MP4 HEVC, but you can have MPEG to AV1 MP4. But the best one that I like also is just to go ahead and export in MP4. Yeah, MP4, which is the best. So just go ahead, specify the output description and resolution and devices. You want to import for iPhone or Galaxy or Smart TV or anyone. You can see, you can check also from here. You can check if it is YouTube. You can sign into your YouTube account, and this video is going to be exported into your YouTube account. Or if it is a TikTok account, you can export also the video directly into TikTok or Vimeo or DVD. You can do all that from here. So it all boils down to you. But in my own case, I want to export it on my local drive, and I want it to be MP4 with this much output description. Okay, so once you're certain, you can see an estimated size of the video, okay, and the duration, and you can enable hardware acceleration for video encoding if you want. Make it faster and make it lightweight and very much easy to export. So once you're certain with everything that you've set, so you can just go ahead and export your video and play it for your content. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the tutorial. This is very basic for beginners on how to use Wondershare Filmora 12. I hope you enjoyed the entire video. If you do, please remember to give it a thumbs up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.